Well, hey guys, welcome to another video on our channel, Vegan as Fork. So it's Veganuary, did you know? We've only been doing videos every day this month so far, and we will continue until the end of January. And today, I was all excited to have, a vegan haul from Aldi. And that's where we're coming from right now. We just came out of Aldi. I don't want to film in there because it's kind of weird in COVID times to be filming inside stores now because
I think it's weird anytime.
It's weird anytime, but they didn't have all the stuff that I wanted. But I will show you what I got and what I am lamenting not getting when we get home. So this car is very loud, so we'll check back at home. So we made it back, and this is my haul for today. Not huge, but pretty respectable, I think. The main things that they didn't have that I was interested in getting were Tyson plant nuggets. I didn't even see them like in the special, so I heard that they had them, but now I'm not so sure. Also, they were supposed to have the Beyond Burger, but they had this, which looks very similar to a Beyond Burger. And it says it's pea-based protein. It's the earth-grown vegan store brand. And I guess this is what they meant by the Beyond Burger? I don't know. It doesn't really look the exact same as a Beyond Burger, because a Beyond Burger is more of like a hockey puck. This one is more of like a flat, like the Trader Joe's ones that I've seen. But yeah, we did get these. We're going to be trying these, I guess. And we got the cheese sticks, the cheddar ones. They didn't have the mozzarella ones. They've had this for a while. This was like a leftover holiday thing, I think. But I had it, and it was so greasy and delicious. I said, let's just get one. They also had some coconut strawberry yogurt. They have the Bada Bean, Bada Booms. This is cheaper than the supermarket, so that's pretty nice. They had beautiful asparagus. They usually do when they have it. This one's pretty nice. Nice and thin. Delicious. They also had the cauliflower veggie puffs, which are accidentally vegan as well. This is my kryptonite, you guys. You already know it. These oyster crackers are the devil. And I got lots of canned pumpkin because it's for the dogs. They like to eat poop. What can I say? There, I've said it. There, I've said it all. Mentioned it all. This is one of my favorite drinks besides seltzer, and it got a lot of onion shreds on it from a different shopping trip. Onion skin shreds. Only like the 0-calorie ones, because the ones that I've had use stevia, and they're pretty good. Yes, I know, dogs. Alright. I also stocked up on the quinoa because they have it for cheap. I got this knockoff Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning blend. I think this was pretty reasonable. They had like 3 different types. It might have been 4, but I think it was at least 3. They had the Califia Farms oat creamer for cheaper than the supermarket, and I've had their oat milk in the past, and it's pretty good. It's nice and creamy, and it's much cheaper than the supermarket. So that's my haul for today. I hope you, well, you know what, let's put a little taste test at the end of this, and let's see what this is all about over here. Maybe we'll even fry up a burger. I don't know. Or no, you know what? Let's do the veggie puffs and the cheese sticks. Alright, I broke out the air fryer. I've got the sticks around the outside. I've got the cauliflower puffs in the middle. I'm a little impressed. I thought there was going to be like 4 little cheddar sticks in there, but there's actually like 10. That's not too bad. Oh, it says 8. There's 8. I can't count. So, I guess we'll do this at like 400 degrees. Feed it to the air fryer at 400, and we're going to do like 10, oops, no, you're wrong. We're going to do 10 minutes and go. Yep, every time.
Good boy.
Every time.
He
So
knows.
this just came out of the air fryer. This was a gift from the air fryer.
Yum. It looks so good.
These look nice and crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
And the cheese sticks have oozed out a little bit. Maybe they went a little bit long. I
They
didn't
look
know.
really good, though.
I didn't know. Why don't you pluck one out of there?
This is, you said, a cauliflower puff?
Cauliflower puff
Okay.
and cheddar cheese
Ooh.
stick. How many years has it been since we've had a cheese stick?
I ate those all the time though, back in the day, because I was like super addicted to cheese.
Yes.
And this is crazy.
Yes. Make
Well,
sure
let's
you
try
really
this
blow on
cauliflower
that.
puff first.
Yeah. Make sure you really blow on it.
All right, here we go.
Bowie said there might be a drip of water left if you're thirsty.
That's pretty good.
Okay. It looks super greasy though.
I mean, they all are, aren't they?
Yes.
It's battered, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be greasy, but delish. And look
Oh,
at this.
wow.
What kind of cheese do they use?
I don't know.
All right, let's see what.
Now a
this
dog is going after that bone like
It's a
crazy.
little noisy in here, but
It is a little noisy.
you gotta work with what you got. Mmm.
I think Grand Central Station would be less noisy. Whoa! Good thing those are only for a limited time because I could see you eating vats of
That's
them now.
dangerous.
Wow.
Okay, so wow. All right, taste A+.
A plus?
Amazing.
Give me a 1 out of 10.
10.
Whoa!
The taste is so good. The cheese does not stick to your teeth.
Oh, that's
Which is an
amazing.
amazing bonus. The thing I'll say is, if you're looking for that like stringiness,
Right.
this is not gonna be it.
No.
It's definitely a creamy texture, but it's delicious.
So it's more of like a Daya, but not stick to your teeth.
Yeah, I guess.
Or like a Violife.
Sure.
Follow your heart.
Well, what I'm saying is it doesn't have the like pull
Right.
apart like stringiness of a mozzarella stick, but like,
Right.
woo, that tastes so good.
All right.
Also, I burned my mouth, but
Wow, she is scraping up the excess there.
that's really good.
There you have it. That is going to be a very dangerous thing when we go to Aldi if they continue to have that.
Yeah, everyone go out and buy them so that we can't.
Well, they sold out of the mozzarella ones. I had a conversation with the person who checked us out and said, "Who's the vegan here?" And then she said, we have the mozzarella ones too. And I said,
really?
"No, honey, you were sold out." And she goes, "That's probably because I bought them all."
Honestly, though, I like the cheddar.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure the mozzarella would be good too, but it's nice to have cheddar in there for a change.
Yes. So the cashier was very excited for it. She knew what Veganuary was, and
Nice.
she said, "Are you going vegan for Veganuary?" And honey, I said, "I am an old
There's a
vegan."
lot of honeys in there.
Yeah. Yeah, so, yeah.
I'm pretty sure you didn't say honey.
You're probably like, oh, yes.
Yep. That's how that
Called
went down.
out.
Wow.
All right, well, we're going to go eat our lunch now because it's lunchtime. But thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, much love.